with the way our automation is set up, they can come into that process. That process will turn on. Someone can be calling, and it turns it on, and also help them with the same thing, walk them to the process. Nowadays, most people use their cell phone, so the system is meant to be used with cell phones. So if they're calling, nobody there to pick up, the system will still do the same thing. We'll be able to communicate with them on their phone and walk them through the same process to get them to schedule a fee assessment. And guess what? The beautiful thing is, if someone is calling, it's not an inquiry call. Let's say it's a doctor's office. They have your information. They are calling to know whether or not you can actually onboard a new client. There is another automation exactly for that. So they will be able to follow some instructions and go to that automation and work their way through in just a few minutes, probably way faster than if they were on the phone with someone. Okay. Yes, it can be done by calling, or you just give them a link. So all these those different ways the automation will work. Calling, give them a link, and it's beautiful.